Hello dear fans. Why do cacti need thorns? Any plant growing in hot, dry places has thorns instead of leaves. As a result of thousands of years of evolution, cacti also acquired thorns. They perform not only a protective role, but also give the plant the opportunity to pollinate. Differences between leaves and thorns. Numerous plants have thorns, but in cacti the thorns are collected in bunches. Biologists have concluded that the spines are analogous to the leaves or scales of the buds. However, these changes are quite significant. Mature thorns do not contain the same types of cells or tissues that are found in tree leaves. The spines consist only of heart-shaped fibers surrounded by the epidermis. They have no stomata or guard cells. Honey glands. In several species of cacti, the thorns in each axillary embryo develop as secretion glands. These are known as the honey glands. These formations release a sugar solution that attracts ants. Spines in such places are composed of freely spaced cells of the parenchyma, which are secreted into the intercellular space. The accumulated nectar is pushed upward through small holes in the epidermis. The spines of this type are short and wide. They are composed of thin-walled fibers. The scent also helps attract flying insects that pollinate the cacti. Protective spikes. Many cacti are protected from hot sunlight by a dense cover of thorns. It is surprising that more than half of all cactus species are adapted to living in dark forests or cool and humid highlands. Such plants will be quickly dried by exposure to sunlight in the desert. The appearance of cacti that live in cool or shady places is often very different from the rest. They have either only a few long spines or many very short ones. Plants growing in sunny and hot deserts should be completely covered with thorns. Injections from such thorns are very strong and painful. Many cactus species have thorns so soft that animals can eat them without too much trouble. The thorn cover has the advantage of blocking sunlight, preventing the plant from overheating, reducing chlorophyll evaporation and protecting it from damage. For example, in Mammillaria plumosa, epidermal cells grow outward like long trichomes, giving the plant an unusual appearance. In other species, the thorns are flat, thin and long. On the one hand, this makes them too flexible and deprives the plant of protection. On the other hand, they are wide enough to give the plant shade. These thorns help the cactus hide among the grass in which it grows. Thanks for watching.